Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to log into Edpuzzle. So if you've never done that before, this is how you're going to do it. So you'll go into Canvas and you're going to go into your science course. Of course, mine looks different from yours, so don't worry about that. Once you're in science, you're going to scroll down until you see the assignment section. In the assignment section, you will find Natural Selection Edpuzzle video. If you open that up, you will see a link to Edpuzzle right here. It says, click here to join my classroom on Edpuzzle. So you're going to click that. It'll open a new window for you. Now, I already have an account, so that's why it's pre-populating here. But if you do not, you're going to click on sign up here in the upper right hand corner. So you'll say sign up with Edpuzzle. You're going to put your name, your first and last name, and your username should be your school ID. Your password should be your birth date, month, day, year, like usual. Then you'll hit join class. So once you have joined the class, you will see do assignments. So there we go. Sorry, under no due date, you're going to click there and you're going to see natural selection. So this is the one that you want to do. So you'll click on that and you're going to hit play and you will watch the video. And as you watch the video, it's going to stop at these points and ask you questions. You can rewatch sections of the video by hitting this button here. It will not allow you to go on to the next question until you've answered the one before. When you're done with the assignment, make sure it'll give you an option to save or submit at the end. Make sure you do that. And then I will be able to see that you have it completed and I will mark it complete in Canvas.